Ah, so Wi-Fi came 10 to 50, no, 5 minutes. The moment it came, I started uploading the details which I gave in the morning. And what do you call it? Uh, so in the morning when I went out, I went near the Wi-Fi guy and I gave that the Wi-Fi is shut. Still the Wi-Fi was shut, so I made a painting at my in my cellular. What that in notes I not tools. You don't have that tools. Pencil paper I do better. In notes I did. Notes. So anyways, uh, so from that Wi-Fi guy when I came back in the morning, no one was doing the GPS spoof. That means they have done something from this phone while I was sleeping and the door was on second lock, and they were providing the what do you call it? The location. Look, the phone is right here, but the same phone should do the bank transaction. Is it so? Is it so? Go fuck yourself. Then, uh, what do you call it? Uh, what more was there? Fucking. So when I went to Bombay yesterday, I came to know that there are plans of kidnap, which is never gonna happen to me. Huh? They cannot. And what do you call it? Those. There is one more thing. On Signal, I came to know one girl spoke. बहुत नया नया मजा आ रहा था ना. That means someone over here who are claiming those devices portable and those devices and their data and that animated papers after buying it from the Chembur West. So they want to say there is some kind of affair which is not. तभी वो लड़की ने ऐसा बोला नया नया बहुत मज़ा आ रहा था. और या तो ये है कि मुंबई हैज़ एक्सपोज देयर थेफ्ट कि ये झूठ बोल रही है, फ्रॉड है, या जो भी क्लेम कर रहा है वो फ्रॉड है. तो उसका वो बोलना था कि व्हेन यू गॉट शिफ्टेड देयर तुझे नया नया बहुत मज़ा आ रहा था, अभी उनकी असलियत बाहर आ रही है. सो दैट मीन्स दे हैव डिफेम्ड मी ऑफ समथिंग विच आई बीन लिफ्ट इज शट. आई गो फ्रॉम द स्टेट्स, डाला है ना वो भी फ्रॉम माई मदर्स फोन. तो मेरे को मुझे क्या डिफेम करेंगे, सेलुलर लेके जाएंगे, दे विल डू व्हाट, पुट इन देयर पुसी एंड दैट व्हाट एंड ट्राई कंट. What will happen? Nothing's gonna happen. I went to the police. If someone, what do you call it, does physical access to my devices, damages it, smashes it, and takes them away, including my clothes, तो piece off. And defamation, वो प्रेस वालों को ऑलरेडी बहुत लोगों ने बताया रहेगा कि आई एम डिफेम्ड फॉर व्हाट यू कॉल इट बिकॉज दे वांट टू स्टील फ्रॉम मी. एंड मुंबई हैज़ ऑलरेडी एक्सपोज देयर थेफ्ट कि ये साले फ्रॉड है. हमें बिकॉज द डाटा वॉज वायरल बिफोर इवन कमिंग हियर. ओवर दैट दे स्टोल द रिपोर्ट्स. And if they do physical access to this cellular for defamation, so all this time they were planting phone location of stolen phone and the dead phone and what do you call it, the phone which does the bank transaction. Is it ये है क्या, समझे? चूतिया साले. तो over that, in that report, they did the AI shit, whatever shit they did, wearing my clothes, fucking someone, and doing that AI shit. Son fucking his mother, and putting my face there. How ugly and how disgusting it is. Chi. So all this time they were planting a phone on me which does the bank transaction, is this clone of this, and now they do physical access to do to this and do something. So now they don't have to plant the phone location, but the same phone has to do the bank transaction as well from all these months. वो क्या करेंगे चूतिया. So in Mumbai, when I went there, someone has spread it from here that I was in some kind of affair or something like that. या तो उनको इनकी असलियत मालूम पड़ गई, ये भैंचो चिंदी चोर लौड़े के, फ्रॉड लौड़े के ये लोग, इनका धंधा है फ्रॉड गिरी का. अरे बेटा माँ को चोद रहा है, इनकी क्या ये क्या लाइकी क्या है क्या, और मेरा थोबड़ा लगा रहा है. ठीक, इसलिए AI वगैरह वो सब करते हैं क्या. माँ इनके पैसे भरती है स्कूल में एजुकेशन के, और ये लोग देख माँ को चोद रहे और मेरा थोबड़ा लगा रहे. छी. So anyways, तो फर्स्ट दे वर क्लेमिंग द डिवाइसेस. हाँ, अब तभी अभी क्या हो गया रिपोर्ट्स के बाद. सो रिपोर्ट्स AI दिया, AI किया, देयर इज अ फेस स्वेलिंग in that same report. What do you call it? After the accident there is post surgery swelling. क्या है, क्या कैसे करेंगे. मैंने बोला ना, मैं एवरी डे माई swelling, what do you call it, I am not getting back to my normal face which I had because of that accident. 90% I have recovered, but still 10% the nasal and the swelling is there. 10%. So first they claimed the devices, then they sold the data, and now they say it was an affair, and now they don't claim the devices, and now they do the AI shit. But what about the swelling then? They are caught. They are caught. Nothing else. Doing the AI thing, then the accident face, show the accident face. I will show my accident face. Look, this teeth is also got in. Show the accident face. Show the post surgery. Post surgery and everything is right there. So first they sold the data, then they said it was the affair. Then they started claiming the devices. Then they stole the reports and did the AI thing. Same, they fuck their mother while fucking their mother. And then when the surgery thing pops up, they say no, it's not them. And then the phone thing, it was an affair. Now they want to say that it's an affair, but they did the bank fraud. Because the bank fraud transaction will not be there. They don't have to do the GPS spoof because they did a physical access to the phone and they took the phone. So they say that it's only an affair, but they did a bank fraud for that. And nothing is true of this. Neither affair, neither I am connected to anything. They are the fraudsters who enter other people's houses. I went to the police station, asked the police. Police will deny, then I'll drop that video again. So first they were claiming devices. Now they are not. Now they say it's affair. What garbage is this? If I have to see anyone, should I see anyone क्या directly? But ये जबरदस्ती का क्यों करूँ ऐसा? ये जबरदस्ती का हो जाएगा. I don't want to see anyone from rather than my league people. Why they are spreading such stupid rumors? तुमने चोरी किया है, गांड मारा है, जो भी किया है वो करो ना तुम, मार चुदाओ ना तुम. The AI thing and what do you call it? Identity theft, all this shit. You know that in passport and visa there is going to be one problem. You know what that problem is? You still don't know what that fucking problem is in my name. Only I know that problem. What is that? माँ चुज जाएगी तुम्हारी, समझे? So, get the fuck out of my life, man. Sure. If I got to see someone, I'll see someone. Who the fuck are these people to portray me that I am seeing? This way 50,000 are there. समझे? First they were doing the J7 stolen J7 location planting, then dead J7 location planting, then the phone which does the bank fraud. So after doing physical access to this phone, now they said they did the bank fraud because there was an affair and there was nothing. So I came to know in Bombay. उन्होंने बराबर बोला, समझ में आया ना तुमको? अभी नया नया बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था. और नया क्या पुराना क्या, मेरे लिए अभी भी सब नए और पुराने. कुछ कौन है क्या है, मेरे को क्या करने गए? मेरे को सिर्फ मेरे केस से मैटर है. द वन हु व्हाट डू यू कॉल इट, हु इज ऑलवेज अराउंड मी इन जीपीएस प्रूफ, आई हैव टू गिव दैट डिटेल. एंड इवन इफ द डोर इज लॉक्ड, डिडंट आई डाउट माई ओन ब्रदर? डिडंट आई फाइट विथ माई ओन ब्रदर? आई फाइट और नॉट इन डाउटिंग हिम? तो मेरे को सिर्फ केस से रिलेटेड ये है. ये कोई इंस्पिरेशन है या ये सब झाटा उपट चीज़ें नहीं है. आई डाउट माई ओन फैमिली पीपल एज वेल. समझा? उनका भी मैंने स्टेटमेंट लिया है कहीं कहीं पर. समझा? तो मेरे को सिर्फ केस में इंटरेस्ट है. एंड दिस गार्बेज पीपल आर डूइंग दिस. हाँ, सो इफ आई हैव टू सी द क्रिस्टल देन आई हैव टू गो टू यूएसए, नो बाबा. बट द मैटर इज the press people, they have to know what they have done. Someone might send them. And yesterday I took my mother's phone, and in front of my friend's house, who called? Ranjana, Chakru, and the half of the bungalow which we sold in Bombay, in front of my friend's house. So they wanted to show that their names must be also in the bank fraud. Right? Their names must be also in the bank fraud. The give and take money will be there. These people's transaction must also be there. The one who is doing the identity fraud, claiming the devices, portraying me of having an affair. They have turned off the lift yesterday, and some poor soul was stuck inside. चूतिया साले. So they shut down the Wi-Fi today. To what? To show that the phone is with me, and then the same phone should do bank transaction as well. कर रहा है क्या वो? एक बार इन्होंने फिजिकल एक्सेस कर दिया और वो सब कर दिया. पर all this time they were showing the bank fraud transaction, planting that. हो रहा है ये इस मोबाइल पे. Then which mobile is that? अब क्या करेंगे? हाँ, तो इन्होंने एक बार फिजिकल एक्सेस कर दिया तो इनको लगा लुक ये वो फ़ोन है, ये वो फ़ोन है. नाउ व्हाट? उन्होंने दिखा दिया कि ये वो फ़ोन है, पर इस फ़ोन से बैंक ट्रांजैक्शन हुआ है क्या? समझे? वंस दे डिड फिजिकल एक्सेस, उनका हो गया, पेट भर गया. उनको क्या मालूम पेट का ऐसे भरा है? गोबर से क्या घास खाएगा, गोबर खाएगा, उनको क्या मालूम?